So we're back at Litchfield National Park today at Buley, Rockhole. We were down here at Florence Falls yesterday, but then it started raining, so we couldn't drone here, so we had to go home. So we're going to put the drone up at Buley, Rockhole now. Oh, and whilst I got you, it would be really appreciated if you could like and subscribe right down below. The walk is easy and it's mostly concrete paved path with some natural rock steps down to the water at the end. there's excellent bathroom facilities at almost everywhere in Litchfield. So it's December, the week before Christmas, and it looks like we're the only ones here. That's it for this video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you'd like to see more content like this in the future, you can comment down below on what you would like to see. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and it would be greatly appreciated if you did. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!